Hi friends, how are you doing? Common questions which I get is one of the question is that okay, I want to undergo this process, hair transplant. Is it a surgery or what do you call it? Well, let me tell you very clearly, a hair transplant is a surgical procedure. Now, if somebody says it's a process, it's just a procedure, daycare में होता है, when they try to undermine it, be a little bit aware. Beware of that thing because it is a surgery, full stop. Okay, so we need to take full care in the complete surgical जो protocol है, we need to follow the entire protocol for the surgery. Now, another thing, which patients come and ask is, okay, what is the surgical step? What is the technical step? What does the technician do? So, in any surgery you go to, कहीं भी आप surgery देखोगे तो surgeon होते हैं, उसके साथ एक team of assistants होते हैं. So, everybody has a role. Like suppose if an X-ray you want to get it done. So, the doctor will write the X-ray and give it to you, Then there is a technician who will come, who will move the machine. Then once the X-rays come, he will not interpret. He will give it back to the doctor. Doctor will go and interpret the. So again, in every process, there is a combination of both the people. Everybody is involved as a team. So ISHRS, the body which determines or governs, the International Society of Hair Restoration Surgeon has defined what are the surgical steps. The very clear definition is any hole we do in the patient's body. Any surgical process, any cutting, involving any kind of making slits, any hole which is done in patient's body has to be done by the doctor. So that is a complete clear cut defined thing. So for example, when it comes to hair transplantation, if I am doing FUT process, the removal of the strip, वो strip निकालना होता है, वो stitches लेना होता है, that is a surgical process done by the doctor. In extraction of the grafts, when we extract the graft, we are using a punch to aim, target and remove one by one graft in FUE process. Now that has to be done by the doctor. The entire extraction has to be done by the doctor. The other thing is, while implantation, there are two parts. One is making the slits. Now slit making is heart of the surgery. Why? Because it determines which graft is going to go where. Because जितने नजदीक मैं स्लिट करता हूँ उतनी डेंसिटी ज़्यादा आती है. जो डायरेक्शन में मेरा स्लिट होता है, the graft comes out in that same direction, and in the depth in which I made the hole, the depth is what the hair goes inside. So direction, density, depth gets determined in this process. And then we have different sizes of the grafts. We have single grafts, double, triple grafts. So the needles which are used for both are also again different. So once the hole is done, now making a puncture again in the body is the work of a surgical step. So that has to be done by the surgeon. So now what are the technical steps which when we come to hair transplant? Probably, painting of the patients, making the patient comfortable, trimming of the hairs, that all comes under the technical part of it. अभी जो grafts निकलते हैं उसको count होता है, single कितने हैं, double होते हैं, वो segregate होते हैं. That is again a technical stuff. Now again the surgical stuff, if you see the planning for the patient is a very, very important part, has to be done by the surgeon. Second part done by the surgeon is giving of the local anesthesia. These are the very critical steps which can, really be very serious consequences. So these are the things which have to be done by the surgeon. Then the other technical stuff is where the grafts, अगर हम लोग graft में hole किए हुए हैं, the pulling out of the grafts, as I said, the segregation of the grafts, that's all again a technical step. The cleaning of the grafts, that's a technical step. Now once I've made the holes, now to put the grafts inside, using an implanter, a blunt implanter is usually a technical step. So this is how the entire process has been divided, and very important key thing is to give the results. Now results will come when you have a very if you keep changing the team every time, then you won't have the control over the results. So it's very important to have a constant team which does the same kind of work. Everybody's work is defined. Okay, this person is going to do this person does this, I do this, he does this. It's only when it is defined over a span of time you start getting consistent results. So at Avenues, I have been doing hair transplants since 2010, and I have opened my clinic in 2013-14, and a lot of my staff has been present for a long time with me. And at Avenues, our sole purpose and the only surgery which we do is hair restoration. So if you're looking for hair transplant, if you have any queries, any doubts, you want to come down, please come down. We can have a talk and then you can take your decision. Thank you very much.
Are you worried about your hair loss problem? Subscribe to our channel for expert advice from qualified doctors. Avenues Cosmetic is here to help, and the latest updates on quality hair transplant treatments. And if you're facing hair loss issues, book your consultation with us today for the right solution.